Number two, you behave yourself down that way, mercy.
I'm being good. I'm just biding my time.
Oh, absolutely are. No doubt, yeah, definitely good hearing you rolling up this way. Number two, sounding good.
Just remember, I sent you a warning. You have been warned.
Oh, I saw it. I see it. Absolutely. Ring on through.
Yeah, well, put your seatbelt on. That's all I got to tell you.
We're starting to bolt everything down. No doubt about it. This way, when you bump it down, that old shock wave won't knock everything off the stand. No doubt. Okay, number two, we're just about all secure and are ready for you to bump it down. Hey, we're getting ready for that big old shock wave up here in the corner.
The countdown has begun.
Roger, on the old countdown has started. Oh, that's not a mud duck radio. It sounds good. 122 to letting you know.
Oh, 122. It ain't no Bible 195 working a small station. I'm clear.
Hey, right back at you. 195 sounding good up here in the corner.
Well, thank you. Bye-bye.
Have a good day. The 122 Yardbird on the driver. Break. North Carolina. Top of the evening up there. Waving a hand, Yardbird, on that old driver. Yeah, you were sounding real good over here.
Thanks. I didn't know if you'd hear me on it or not. I got the big one shut down. Been raining and storming down here. I don't got the big one fired up. 122. Have a good afternoon, Yardbird.
Right back at you, Yardbird. Right back at you. I hear you. Yeah, they say you're going to have a few thunder boomers that roll on through here in a few hours. So, hey, the old DX is rolling. I figured we'd fire up and definitely going to see what we can do.
Hey, 410, well, you got it laid down, rolling and strolling through the hills, 122. Appreciate what you do for the hobby. 122 Yardbird pulling back. Have a good day.
Right back at you, Yardbird. No doubt about it. Always good hearing you rolling up here into the corner. No doubt.
Shotgun, it is busy around the bend, but I'm waving a hand. Shotgun, Yardbird, right back. Come on. Hey, morning. Wow, Johnny, West Virginia, Morrison. Coming down through here like you all real estate. Yeah, good evening, Shotgun, that barefoot radio strolling through the hills, man. Hey, Shotgun, that barefoot radio strolling through these soggy, cotton-picking hills. Have